Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today is day 12 of my birthday card a day September series. So let's get on to what I used for today's card. I used some My Mind's Eye paper. Sorry about that. I don't know why my camera does that, like falls sometimes. Sorry. This is the Fine and Dandy True Blue. It's an oldie but goodie. I think I saw 2010, shopping that stash again. I used my favorite things, A2 stitched rectangle stack set 1. I used some Stampin' Up stitched shapes framelits. And then for my image, I used this super fun stamp set from My Favorite Things, Festive Old Friends. Not sure if it's still available, but if it is, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. And onto my card. Happy birthday. May you outlast your usual bedtime. I just thought that was so fun. So fun. I paper pieced the chair so that it kind of matched a little bit more. Used the colors from the paper. It's so funny. I used to, like when I first started, I would always choose my paper first and then I would color to match that. But then I found I was always grabbing out the same colors or like the same type of papers. So then I started coloring my images first and then matching the paper. And I've kind of noticed lately I'm transitioning back to picking the papers and coloring the images. So far, I don't know, I kind of go in trends. Like there might be a whole bunch of yellows and blues and stuff, and then there might be pinks and oranges and stuff, but it's okay. I'm having fun, and that's the main thing, right? And then on the inside I just added some of those flags and stamped him there. So there is my card for day 12 of my birthday card a day series. I have been enjoying reading the comments, and it makes my heart so happy that so many of you are enjoying this series. I am enjoying this series. It's so fun. I don't know. I tend to, well, we all know I love stamps. And so I buy all these stamps, and then it seems like I have this project or that project. So it's been really fun to just focus in on one subject, like the birthday cards, and actually get out those stamp sets and dies and stuff and use them and shop my stash. I think that I just lost my train of thought. Sorry about that. Anyways, there's my card again for day 12. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 13. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.